Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at the official case for the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Now, they make this case for the Google Pixel 8 as well, so if you want it, you can get it from Google. I got this from Google, but Amazon sells it too. They have a long wait period to get it because it's not arriving until November based on their site. But I did get this with the Pixel 8 Pro when I got that phone, okay? So let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, now I got this case from the Google store, and it's the Pixel 8 Pro case. Safeguards your phone from drops and scratches while adding a pop of color. Now you can get this in the bay color, the new bay color, a red or orange color, and it's kind of green color in porcelain, and you can also get it in black, obsidian. I got it in the porcelain color because my phone is porcelain, $34.99. Built to protect. You can see fits perfectly, shines elegantly, mindfully made, and from recycled parts there. But now one of the things that I've had these cases before, but I really didn't use them. Now the first one I used was on the Pixel 6, and I did use that one because it fit well. It was semi-slippery, had a matte feel to it, but it wasn't too bad. I tried it for the Pixel 6 Pro, Pixel 7 Pro, and it was too slippery. I got the obsidian, and I didn't use it. So we'll see how this one does on this Pixel 8 Pro, okay? So I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Now here's the box for the case, official Google case right there, the porcelain version. A little bit of writing on the back. Easy open tab here. Just open this up, and it's nicely wrapped here. So let's just get this off. Got a little tab here to get this out. I don't really have no fingernails, but I'm just gonna rip this off. Now this has a matte feel, so I might like this one. It doesn't feel too slippery. So I kind of like the way it feels already. Now, so you have a soft felt area in here. You got the Pixel branding right there. Nicely made case. And I might be able to use this one now because this one doesn't feel too slippery. So you got the silver buttons right there. Volume down, your volume rocker. Nicely made camera area because it's made by Google. You got the emblem right there that's embossed, and it's a little shiny. And you got your opening for the speaker grills and your charging port right there. Nothing on this side. Mic hole up top. All right. Now, let's get the phone and put it inside and see how that looks. Okay, we got the Pixel 8 Pro right here. Let's go ahead and pop this inside and see how this looks. All right. Now, actually, it's not slippery. I am so surprised, and I like it, and it looks good and it feels good. So nicely made, and it's not slippery. Now, I can't hold it to the side like that. It drops, but my hand don't feel slippery when I'm gripping it. It's got grip. So that's a change from the one they had last year. Maybe this color, I don't know. But it feels like the phone. It has this matte feel to it, and it feels good. So I might be able to use this one. Okay, everything fits nicely. You can see lines up because it's made by Google. All the ports and holes there, and the buttons work really well, nice and clicky. So no problem there. And the camera is exposed, but you have a raised area, so it's going to be protected. But it's nicely done, and so it's not too overdone or look overwhelming. You got a lip on the front, but nicely done as well. Not too big. So I like it. You can put it down, no problem there. All right. So what we're going to do now is check out wireless charge. All right. Okay, here's the wireless charger, and we're going to put this on. So it works well there, no problem. Let's put this on this way, and it works well that way. Okay, lay it to the side and see what happens. So it's charged to the side as well. So it works well on this charger. This is an old charger, so if it works here, it's going to work anywhere. So the case fits nicely and it works well. Okay. Now that was a quick look at the official case for the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Now this is the porcelain version. It feels good in the hand, and it's got a little bit of grip. It's not slippery like the ones I've had in the past, so it's usable. And you have some confidence when you're holding it, okay? Now, again, I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. If you got any questions, hit me in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.